Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide likes on Facebook. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Now to hide likes on your Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into your Facebook account on which you want to hide your likes. Now in order to proceed, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture with small three lines. Tap on over there and over here scroll down until you can find the settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy, and on this list tap on settings again, and over here guys scroll down until you can find the reaction preferences just below the newsfeed. Tap on that. So guys, here it says on posts from others and on posts on your post. It means guys, if you don't want to see the number of likes on others post, you can just tap on this button and the number of likes will be hidden or any reactions will be hidden from others post. But if you want to hide likes and reactions on your Facebook post, then tap on your post over here on the toggle icon at the right side over here guys, and your likes and reaction will be hidden on Facebook. And there guys, this is how you hide your likes on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.